Hello, welcome back to my channel with Lupita. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I am gonna go over my monthly payments, you guys. This does not include food, gas. It does not include, like, home expenses and all of that stuff. This is just my bills, okay? I am going to close my paycheck number 1 later on, but as of now, I just want to go through my calendar. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you like any of the stickers that you see here, don't hesitate and check out my website at lupitastickishop.net. I do free shipping on orders over $20, and I also sell binders, and I sell cash envelopes, t-shirts, tumblers, cups, keychains, and more. So let's go ahead and go through every bill in this calendar, shall we? As I get ready, you guys, with my extra hours that I'm checking here, I recorded a video last week to upload this Monday, and it didn't had voice, it didn't had audio. I was so upset, you guys, because it was my first cash envelope stuffing for the 26 and 52 week challenge. If you guys don't know, I made my own binders, and I'm just gonna quickly show you guys here. So this is a 52. I am gonna add a pom-pom to the binder. So if you buy the binder, you will receive it with the pom-pom, okay? So it's a 52 week challenge. I have it with the tracker. Okay, now the tracker is laminated just through the front, not the back, okay? And it's gonna come, the 52 week challenge is gonna come with 2 budget sheets, which is double-sided printed. It's gonna come with a zipper pouch and all of your 1 through 52 little envelopes, okay? So you will have 2 extra ones that you can use for extra cash or as you wish to use them. So yeah, remember, if you've bought before from me the binders, you guys know I like to send it with a pen, may or may not be the pen you see here, and with water stickers, or a small memo pad or sticky notes, something. I always try to send something, but this time I am gonna send it with a pom-pom, okay? So this is a 52 week challenge, and this is our 26 week challenge. If I can get this binder to stay, no, let's just leave it here. So this is the 26. Okay, and I am ready to do another video on this. Hopefully the audio is good. Yes, I know I can add the audio, but it's like right now I'm pausing to talk. I'm not moving anything, so as you can see, there's no movement or nothing, right? Because I'm doing the talking. So there's a lot of that, and I don't want to go through all the video and figuring out what to say. Anyway, so this is our 26 savings. Now I am gonna match the color, or try to match the color of the binder with the color of the tracker, like you see here. This one is light purple. What is this? Aqua color, green, light green, however you want to call it. And then the tracker matches the binder. So that's what I'm gonna try to do, but I also have it in all black, okay? So if all black is your choice, I do have a selection for that as well. So This is our 26-week challenge. Same thing, but this one comes only with one budget sheet. Also, double-sided printed, your zipper pouch, and all of your numbers. Okay, this one comes with 2, 3, 4 free, or not free, with no number. Okay, so you can make use of these as you like. Okay, so there you go. So this is how you will receive your binder with the little pom-pom. Pom-pom will vary as well. Some might have a ballerina, some might not. So, okay. And yeah, so I thought I should share these with you guys just because of my other video. It was not successfully recorded. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started with these payments, you guys. First, I want to share my extra hours worked. So I'm gonna go to the week of January 1st. Okay, so on the 5th, I worked extra 12 hours. And I'm going based on my schedule, guys. Okay, so I did 12 hours extra here. And on the second week, I didn't do any overtime or extra. On the 19th, I went extra, so here I did 12 hours. And here I didn't do any. Let's see on the next week. Okay, so this Saturday, which was here on the 21st, I stayed 4 hours. So I'm gonna count that here, even though it was for this Saturday, the 20, I worked at the 12 hours, which I put them here, but then I stayed over because I work graveyard. I stayed over 4 hours, so I'm gonna count them here. So 4 hours. Now the week is not over. If I need to change the number, I'll change it, but as of now, because of the video purposes, so you guys know, this is how many extras I've done, extra hours. Okay, so this will be overtime. These are just extra hours, and these are just extra hours. I didn't do as I usually do. I've been doing like 24 hours at least. But hey, one of these days right here, first they said they did need it, and then they were like, never mind. So sometimes we have, sometimes we don't, or I just need to be faster. So let's go ahead, and I'm gonna go back to my bank. As I am talking to you guys, I'm going through my app. So Apple was paid, Citi Card was paid. I actually paid Citi Card and Home Depot before the month started, like on the last week of December. Okay, so Apple on the 2nd, Citi Card, Home Depot. Okay, Citi Card, Home Depot, and I'm gonna be verifying. Okay, so if you guys don't mind, I'm gonna do this with you guys. So Home Depot was 29. I didn't put Home Depot because it was, like I said, I paid it before this, so it's not there. Which means it's gonna be here. Okay, so I didn't budget on December. Like I did budget like this, but I didn't budget by paycheck. I didn't budget by paycheck. I didn't do this, okay? That's why I like to go with my bank and with my calendar. So I paid Home Depot $29, which I did fix this $29, and then Apple, which we did, Home Depot, music, YouTube Music was done, $10.24 through my bank and the rest through Apple. St. Jude was done. Okay. So I'm gonna just double check with you guys doing this. These are the ones that I confirmed. St. Jude, Canva, which was done by PayPal. This one was done through PayPal. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a cross just to know that I double checked with you guys. Now, this is Amazon $150, and here is Freedom and Slate. I did a payment to my gas company, but I'm not gonna cross it out just because I didn't pay the whole bill. So I'm gonna make another payment as soon as I get paid tomorrow to complete the payment, okay? And it was not due when I did the first payment, but since I had the money, I was like, let me give this payment and I'll give the rest when I get paid. So I'm not gonna cross this one, but I know because I'm looking at my app that I did that payment. So the phone, Capital One, which is either Walmart or Quicksilver, and it was Walmart because it was 49. So I will be changing this to 49. And PayPal 49. So this one was also $1 less. So PayPal, HBO, Primerica, Best Buy, Spotify, Target, Apple. So far, done. The light, I need to do the light. I gave a payment to the light. Just verifying. I just need to verify this payment. If I don't see it, I haven't verified, okay? So for Capital One on Quicksilver, it was 25 and 35. I did 2 payments, so that would be $60. Where's Quicksilver? So I did 25 and 35. Okay, so 60 and verified. Car insurance was $85.94, so I'm gonna round it off to 86. So verified and 86. Okay, and Ross 50. And verified. Internet verified 49. Well, I'm just gonna leave that 49. Okay, so The only two that I need to, hold on, is that it? The only two that I need to pay is gas and light. Okay, I am not doing the cross there because it has not been verified. Okay, but everything else has been taken care of, and that makes me happy. So this is it, you guys. Okay, I like to share this way because if you don't budget yet, like paycheck by paycheck, at least do your calendar, because it helps a lot. There has been a couple months where I don't do my paycheck to paycheck here and there, but I never stop doing it. Like, it's a must. I have to make sure all of my payments have been done, because I don't like to see on my credit report that a payment hasn't been made. So this is what helps me. Leave me a comment down below and share with me what helps you. If you are the kind of person that you must do your paycheck by paycheck, which I do, but not pretty. Here, let me show you. This is an example of what I do. Okay, so I might do it on paper. I cannot flip it and show you what it is because it's my works patience report, so I cannot flip it and show you, but it's any paper. And this is what I do at work. I always take my planner and I always go and check, like, oh my god, I need to pay this, and then the amounts. Okay, so even though I don't do it nicely here, I do it in scratch papers. Okay, so share with me, how do you do it? What do you do? What works for you? Because maybe I can learn something from you. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching, and remember, check out the website, support your girl here, and we'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.